Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to message seller on Temu. To message or contact a seller on Temu is a straightforward process. First of all, open the Temu application and log into your account. After you're inside the main homepage of Temu, go ahead and select one of the products from the list. You can choose any product of your liking, and then once you do that, scroll down and look for an option where it shows the name of the shop or the seller. Go ahead and open up the name and look for an option to send a message. If the message option is available for the seller, you will be able to see a little speech bubble icon right next to the seller's logo or name. Simply tap on the speech bubble icon and then simply go ahead and enter a message and contact with the seller. Once you go ahead and enter your question, send it to the seller and you will be able to contact them. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you.